I was in a lot of pain for a lot of years and just did not want to accept that, something was going on. Finally, the pain got pretty overwhelming, and from the moment I walked in until now, I just feel amazing. I actually had a double hip replacement, full hip replacement. I came in and had the left side done in October, and then I had the second one done 6 weeks later. And now 3 months after that surgery, I am where I am now, so it's pretty incredible. I would certainly recommend the staff here at OrthoTexas. Dr. Adams was my surgeon, and he just did a great job. I just feel amazing. It was a hard journey because this is not a simple surgery. So, but between Dr. Adams and the staff, they've just followed me along the way and have been so supportive in my journey to recovery and getting back to work. Surgery has helped me because I'm back with my family. I don't get home from work, take a pain pill, and go to bed. That's what I was doing before. And so family dinners, I wasn't there for that. I was lying in bed. And it has helped me really to get back to the way things were before, and they're better than before. So I'm not having to take any pain pills anymore, and that's wonderful. And I just have felt like this surgery has changed my life.